Howdy, my name is Derek Henry, and if you're deleting things all the time in Excel and you want to make it easier, then I've got something I think you're going to love. This is a macro called delete picker, and what it's going to do is give you several options to delete things with just a couple of keystrokes. So let's dive in and take a look. Now, in this Excel file, we've got just a standard kind of data table, not formatted as a table, just a data set. And if we want to delete something, let's say we want to delete a row, we're going to run a shortcut, and it's going to show this delete picker here. So we can delete a sheet or a row or a column or a comment, or like I've got here, my default is E because it's contextual. If we have a row selected, it's going to delete that row. If we have a column selected, it's going to delete that column. So you kind of get 3 in 1, a cell, a column, or a row. Or we could do something else like delete a comment if we had one, or this entire sheet, although since it's the only one in this file, it's going to throw us an error. But you can kind of see the idea. Set your default option just like you can with all these other pickers, run things very quickly. So you're getting several shortcuts in one as opposed to all the different ones you might have to memorize to delete all these different things. And that's it. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up, add a comment, share with your friends. Of course, try it out for yourself using the QR code at the bottom here. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your day.